They gon' know. They gon' know who you is, who you is. They gon' know just who you are. Turn up on these bitches, they gon' know who you is. And you so independent, they gon'.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this natural look. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So first, I'm going to start by using my Airspun setting powder. If you watch my videos, y'all know I use the same stuff, so yeah. So I'm using my Airspun setting powder, and this gives your brow a matte look. So I'm going to outline my brows, the bottom of my brows. I'm going to start from the bottom. And for my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Lip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown for my brows. So once I get at the top of my brows, I don't start all the way in the beginning, I start like halfway. And as you can see, I'm outlining the same as I did in the bottom, and I'm also filling them in. Make sure that the tail meet on the end. You see how I'm making sure that the tail is meeting, and I'm also filling it in. So now I'm going to go in with my Warm Honey Concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm using it to outline my brows. Using concealer actually cleans the brows. And it makes the brows look really neat. And I'm also bringing the concealer down. And make sure y'all bring the concealer down. You don't want no harsh line of concealer under your brows.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
so once I blended the concealer out, I'm going back in with a different brush, and I'm using this brush to pat it in, to blend it out for my eyeshadow. And I'm adding more concealer to blend it out. And then I'm going to set it with my Airspun powder.
No, I don't want no rest.
So now I'm just blending out my brows at the top. And then I'm gonna also blend at the bottom where I started with the line, and I'm gonna blend the harsh line out.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I'm using my Nubian palette. Yeah, I don't like my brows too dark, so I'm gonna use this shade and blend, put it in the front and blend it out. I don't like harsh brows, so I like to have like a brown in the front to give me like a natural look. You don't have to do this. This is just what I do, but you don't have to do this.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
For the top of my brows, I'm going to use my NARS foundation, and I'm basically going to outline the top of my brows.
We'll go.
You don't have to do this also. This is just what I do to make my brows look more neat, give me that neat look. But you don't have to do this if you don't want to.
We'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So let's get started with this eyeshadow. I'm going to use my Masquerade mini palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to go in with that bottom shade. As you can see, I'm tapping it in, and then after I tap it in, I'm going to blend it out, and I'm going to go in circular motion. And yeah, I changed my brush. Yeah, I did change my brush. But as you can see, I'm tapping it in and blending it out. Make sure it's no harsh line of eyeshadow. See, you have to make sure that you blend all the eyeshadow out so it can look like real blended together. Because if you don't, you're going to have that harsh line of eyeshadow. So I'm using my NYX matte finish spray. I use this spray and I use it on my brush. I spray it on my brush because I have oily skin. So after I spray it on my brush, I apply my foundation. And as y'all can see, I'm blending my foundation out. This is the same foundation that I use, the NARS foundation I use for the top of my brows. To highlight, I'm using the same concealer I use for my brows. So I'm using my same setting spray, and I sprayed the setting spray on my brush, and now I'm just blending it out. When highlighting, you're supposed to leave the concealer on for at least like 2 minutes, and then you blend it out. After blending the concealer out, I'm going in with my Airspun powder and I'm setting where I highlighted it. Yeah, I'm realizing that I really need to contour. I'm not really that big on contour. I had used the eyeshadow that I used for the, and I added the eyeshadow at the bottom of my eyes. And now y'all see, I'm just adding my highlight. I'm using my NK Lip Shine Gloss in the color Dawn. Y'all, this lip gloss smells so good. This is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I'll see y'all in my next video.